Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize GitHub Cloud Services, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your GitHub account and navigating to your repositories. Select the repository you want to optimize. Click on the Settings tab in the repository menu. Scroll down to the GitHub Pages section. Choose the source branch you want to use for your GitHub pages. Ensure that you have a dedicated index file in the root directory or in the specified folder. Next, examine the repository structure for clarity and organization. Create directories to group related files and avoid clutter. Regularly update your README file to reflect the latest changes and provide clear documentation. Utilize issues and pull requests effectively to manage contributions and maintenance. Check the repository settings for actions to automate your workflows. Set up continuous integration and continuous deployment using GitHub Actions for better efficiency. Monitor your actions logs to identify and resolve any workflow failures. Consider using GitHub packages to manage dependencies easily. Optimize your repository's README with badges that display build status or coverage. Enable branch protection rules to prevent unauthorized changes to key branches. Use proper labeling for issues to facilitate easier tracking and prioritization. Integrate third-party tools if necessary to enhance features and functionalities. Regularly check for unused branches and delete them to keep the repository clean. Leverage GitHub Insights for data on repository performance and community engagement. Review your repository's permissions to ensure only authorized users have access. Add collaborators judiciously, giving appropriate access levels based on necessity. Consider implementing two-factor authentication for added security. Keep your repository updated with relevant dependencies to minimize security risks. Monitor commit history for any irregular activity and address it promptly. Utilize the GitHub CLI for streamlined command line interaction with your repositories. Frequently back up your repositories to avoid data loss. Finally, engage with your community by responding to issues and discussions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.